In this video, I want to give you some more information about anchoring these Outsunny awnings to your wall.
So I'll cover the anchors that came with our kit, the lag bolts we probably should have used, and the toggle bolts that I think work really well.
So we installed these awnings using the anchors that came with the kit, but these were really designed more for masonry or concrete walls. But since the kit came with them, we used them in this installation. And I think when we drilled through the siding into the walls, we got lucky and hit the top plate, which is a 2x4 which runs horizontally along the stud wall. And that's what the anchors got secured into, and that's why these ones have worked.
Actually, let's go take a look in the attic. So here's that outside wall. And I don't think these two 2x4s are technically the top plate, but I did find these two holes from our awning installation going through them.
And since we do have a wood wall, probably would have been better to use these lag bolts.
And in this case, it would have worked really well because we could have positioned that awning anywhere above the window, and those lag bolts would have sunk into those horizontal 2x4s. And while I was drilling those pilot holes and hitting so much wood, that would have been a great time to switch over to lag bolts, which I didn't have. But if we were trying to mount these brackets into a vertical 2x4 or a stud, that would be a different story.
But let's say this were your inner stud, and normally they'd be turned 90 degrees. I think the easiest way to then locate the stud on the outside would be by drilling a small hole on either side of the stud so you can see it from the outside, and then make sure to drill between them.
But mounting the awning directly onto studs presents another problem, because the brackets that hold up the awning have to be on either end.
Because anywhere here, it would interfere with the arms folding in. And then of course, if you get too much towards the middle, it's not supporting the ends.
So you'll probably lose some flexibility in where you can place that awning. So it was on our third awning where those anchors started slipping out.
Which is lower down on the wall than the other two. We didn't hit a stud there or over there.
And you can see how that top anchor is slipping out on both sides of the awning. So we took the awning off the wall, forgetting we could have unbolted the awning from the brackets first to make it a little bit easier. And that left the anchors sticking out of the wall, but of course we can't pull them out this way because the inside end expanded when we tightened down that nut. And I was hoping I might be able to drop them into the wall, but because these anchors are longer than the wall is deep, I had to do this instead. So yes, now I have a few holes to repair in the drywall. But the holes in our siding are now free, so we can insert some toggle bolts. These 1/4-inch ones can hold a lot of weight, and remember the awning is only 36 pounds, but these weren't as easy to use as I thought.
Oh no!
And I ended up going through a few of these before I got them to work. Long story short, I ended up buying more of these than I'd need, and finally getting them to install correctly. And I think the tricky part is that I was battling the insulation in the wall, so it was hard to get that toggle to flip into position, and then to engage that screw with the hole in the toggle. After testing to make sure that the screws were actually catching in the toggle, I was finally able to install the bracket with the help of a couple washers.
Okay.
On both sides, of course. So later than expected, we managed to reinstall the awning and test it out.
All right.
So I think these toggle bolts will work really well, and they give you a lot of flexibility if you're not able to hit a stud. I'll let you know if these end up failing at a later date, and if our masonry anchors eventually work their way out of the studs on the other two awnings.
Workout. So if you like videos like this, you might like this one here.